You want to maximize your renovation dollars as well as maximize the rents possible for a given property. We always want to have our property clean, safe, and secure. So if we're going to do that, we want our renovations to match it. And when somebody walks into a property, even before they walk into the property, as they get to their property, especially at night, if it's dark, if it's not well lit, people will not feel safe. You want them to feel safe as they're getting into the property. The other thing is that curb appeal makes a big difference. If it looks overgrown or if it looks like there's not a lot of care, garbage everywhere, that's going to affect somebody's perception of that property. So you want to make sure that that easy cleanup component is done and make sure that it looks good so that when a new tenant is coming into the unit that they would be excited by the area, excited by the building, that they feel like it's safe and that it's clean.